What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing another guitar tutorial since the other one did so well last time. And yeah, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do Hesitate, as you can probably see by the title. And yeah, we're going to get into it. Turn the brightness up a little bit here. Aha! Because the sun's going down. So what you're going to do for the intro of Hesitate, which will sound like... So to play that, what you want to do is you need to do on the E string, you want your first finger to be on the 3rd fret. So right there. And you want your second finger, so that's your middle finger, to be on the G string on the 4th fret. So it's going to look like this. And with this hand, you're just going to pluck. And that's the G. And if you like more traditional kind of chord styling, then you can actually just play the full G, which would be like this. You just pluck the same strings, same sound. But yeah, and then it's going to be a quick transition. You just slide that down 2 frets. So 1, 2, that's going to be your A. And so it's 1. And then after that, you're going to go down to the 7th fret, and you're going to do the E string and the G string, but instead of having the staggered to where you have one on the 4th fret and one on the 3rd and 1/4, and then 1/5 and 1/6, you're going to actually both have them on the 7th fret. So they're going to be like this, here and there. And that's going to be your B minor. Yeah, your B minor. So it's going to be G, A, B minor. So that's first finger on 7th fret, second finger on 7th fret, G string. And then after that, you're going to get off of the thick E and the G string, and we're going to go on to the A string and the B string for our D. And so what that's going to look like is that's going to be on the A string, you would want it 5th fret, and then the B string, you're going to want that on the 7th fret. So it's going to sound like that. And we're actually going to do that, let's see. So it's first one time, one time, one time, one time, 1, 2, 4. So it's one time and then 4 after that. And then you're going to take that shape and you're going to go up into right here. And that's going to be your 7th on the A string and 8th on the B string. So it's so 1, 2, 2 times. So 1, 2. Then we're gonna go back to that D shape for 2 times, and then A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide down to G. So the A was the 5th and 6th fret, E and D, or E and G. So 1. So that's through slowly. Full speed, it should sound like this. Sorry. And then when you slide down to the G, that at the end of the intro, then when you slide down to the G at the end of the intro, then that's going to start off the verse. And what the verse is going to be, it's going to be the G, the kiss the tears right off your face. And so it goes G, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then D, that shape we had before, the 5th on A and 7th on B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 times on B minor, which is 7 and 7, E and G. And then you slide down to A. So B, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So pretty simple. It's just a different order. And that's basically all the song is. Same chords, different order. So for the verse, now you do have to be kind of skilled in the transitions to make that from the E and G right away to the A and B, and then back to the E and G. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it's not really super difficult. And then that'll cover it for the verse, and then it goes into the pre-chorus, which will be, and then it'll be like, so you finish that, and then it goes, time only heals if we work through this now. And then so that's going to be pretty much the same thing, except for you do G, and then you go all the way to B minor. Instead of going to D, you go to B minor. And so you go 2, 3, 4, B minor, and then you go to D. So the B minor and the D are just switched. So it goes, so G, B minor, D, A. And that'll cover you for the first time through, but the second time through, it'll go, time only heals if we work through this now. And I promise we'll figure this out. And so that time through, you're gonna go G, B, and you're just gonna skip the D, skip the D, and then go straight to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just let that sit for a couple of seconds, and then you go into the chorus, which is the same thing as the intro. It's the same thing as the intro, except for on the last time you play it, so it would be, I can take your pain and put it on my heart. I won't hesitate, just tell me where to start. And then after that, the second time, then it gets a little bit different. So what you're doing is you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up in like escalating in the highness of the notes. So it's going to be G. I thank the ocean's been A for giving me you. B minor, you saved me once. And then D, so I'll save you too. And then, so each of those is 4 times. And then you just go, I won't hesitate. And then instead of going like, you don't do that. You just go, I won't hesitate. 1, 2, 3 for you, and then go back to A. So you go 1, 2, 3. Then you take the middle finger, you pluck the G string only. You go, so 1, 2, 3. And so what I'm doing there is I'm plucking the E and the G, and then I'm 1, 2, 3, then I pluck the G, slide to 5th, pluck it again, and slide to 7th. So, and then you can do the little wiggle thing and make it sound like a wavy, I forgot what it's called, vibrato, I think. Could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And then So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to the song. So you have the verse, and then the pre-chorus, and then the pre-chorus second time, and then chorus. Post-chorus, chorus, and then it goes back to the verse, and you do the verse again. And then it goes on to the pre-chorus again, and then you do the chorus, and it's basically, oh, that's right, the bridge. Almost forgot the bridge. So it's the bridge is the pull me close and I'll hold you tight. Don't be scared cause I'm on your side. And so that's gonna be G for 4, A for 4, and then quick transitions here. D, 2, D for 2, A for 2, G for 2. So and you're just gonna do that multiple times. So it's you do that multiple times for as long as the bridge elapses. So pull me close and I'll hold you tight. Don't be scared cause I'm on your side. No, there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. And then repeat. And so forth. That's pretty much it. I'll post a cover of the song soon so you can see how I do it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed or this helped you at all, go and hit the like button and comment what other tutorials I should do. Thank you.